Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use DeepSeek AI on WhatsApp for AI-powered conversation. Step 1. Visit deepseek.ai or their official WhatsApp integration page. You can look for the Connect to WhatsApp button or chatbot invite link. Step 2. Tap the link to open WhatsApp and start a conversation with the DeepSeek AI number. This will usually redirect to the WhatsApp or web client. Step 3. Type hi or start in the chat. The bot will respond with a menu of features. This includes writing assistance, summaries, translations, and idea generation. Step 4. You can ask your question or prompt directly. For example, you can say, summarize this article and paste a URL or write a caption for this photo. Step 5. You can wait for the response. Step 6. If you need a premium or full features, the bot may offer a subscription plan with added perks like longer messages or specialized tasks. Now, you can easily use DeepSeek AI for assistance straight from WhatsApp. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.